always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
And we are certainly alerting for tomorrow. It's a Next Weather alert for your Saturday between noon and 6. We hate to do it on the weekend, but weather will do what it wants to do when it wants to do it. And tomorrow we'll likely have not just strong, but the potential for some isolated severe cells. I think the main threat tomorrow will be if any storms really get going, we'll have the threat for damaging wind potential. So winds 50, 60 miles an hour. But generally, I think most of the storms will stay between 20 and 30 with those gusts that won't cause any significant damage here. Areas of heavy rainfall, so those pockets that will be capable of producing some locally heavy downpours. The atmosphere is loaded with water, so once you start bringing that down, it will accumulate and quickly, so we could get some street flooding. And the thing too is when you get an event like that with heavy rain, the following day it's just easier to flood, and the day after that and the day after that. And we'll see that next weather 7-day forecast. We got healthy rain chances continuing throughout the next 7 days. We may get a little Saharan air dust here by the end of next week, and that'll limit rain chances. But for now, more storms on the way for Saturday and Sunday. When all is said and done, I think we're looking at accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. So the threat for tomorrow, this is a level 1 of 5 from the Storm Prediction Center here. A lot of times, really, even with a level 1, you get outbreaks of a lot of thunderstorms here. So it's one of those things where it's not equally weighted. So a 2 is a big deal, and then you go up from there, and that's when we're talking about Tornado Alley. On the beach tomorrow, a lot of cloud cover, showers and storms, so not the greatest day for the beach, but the rip current is low, so we'll talk about that, and the winds are going to be rather light out of the west at 10. That is important because that's going to keep the sea breeze kind of pinned right along the water there, so it's going to stay on the very, very warm side. We'll have temps in the 90s, and as you get to your boat tomorrow, again, we're going to have issues with storms. Otherwise, in general, no alerts for the Florida Keys or the Atlantic waters from the weather services at both offices there. Upper 80s to low 90s tomorrow with the humidity. It will feel like it did today, like it's in the triple digits. So keep that in mind. The humidity is just going to stick around. No question about that. And there are the rain chances for tomorrow. Again, the window noon to 6. I think anything you're doing before noon or after 6 will be in pretty good shape. Maybe some showers on the tail end and the beginning of the event. Otherwise, we're looking good. And your next weather 7-day forecast, more storms on the way.